Hey everybody, today we're doing a really bad bleeder rug that has been tainted with cat urine. We're going to give it a bath. That's the only way that you're going to get all the urine smell out of it and guarantee it 100%. So it is a really bad bleeder. I don't know if you can see right here all the colors that have already bled because of the urine when it gets in there. So what we're going to do first is spray it down with a dye lock to help reduce any other bleeding before we put it into the bath. After that, we'll fill it up with water. We put a product in called Color Sorb that helps, if any colors do come out, it grabs a hold of it and holds it so it doesn't deposit itself back on the rug somewhere else. We'll let it dwell for about 5 hours, and then we're going to flush it out, suds it up, soap it down, clean it, and then put it into the centrifuge over there to wring it out, put it into the dry room, and we'll have a nice, beautiful, clean rug for delivering back to the gentleman. So that's it. That's the steps. We're going to get to work. And again, what this is doing is just helping the colors not to run anywhere. And if it does, it won't attach itself to any other part of the carpet. And I'll spray it a couple of times before we go ahead and put the water. We'll get into the. What we're doing now is flooding the carpet to build a bath. So it's totally submerged in water and what we call Rug Restore, which is a product for urine removal. We'll let it sit for six hours probably, and then flush it all out, and no more urine. We're going to put about 100 gallons in here, believe it or not, to make it totally submerged since it's a big rug. But we have a meter over there that tells us how many gallons we're putting in. That way we know how much product to put in. And then we'll be done. Colors coming out of it.
Yeah.
I love you. All right.
I'm getting there.
better.
So we have just taken this rug out of a bath that's been soaking in, submerged in a bath for the past 6 hours to try to get all the cat urine smell out of the rug for the gentleman. And so we just did that, and now what we're doing is just keep flushing it out because this rug has some bleeding problems, as you can see when I'm pushing some water out. It's got a little bit of red, a little bit of, I just seen some blue and green. So we want to try and get as much color out as we can, so the color doesn't migrate and stain in any other area. So we're going to keep flushing it so we don't really see any color coming out. We have bleeding rugs, so it doesn't, the color doesn't, you know, migrate into the rug anywhere. So these blankets here, if any color does come off, it'll just go onto the blanket.
Alright, after letting it dry for a couple of days in our dry room, after giving it a bath, here's that beautiful rug. No smell left in it. We're going to wrap it up and send it on its way home. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video if you found it interesting. Thank you so much.